Do you want to earn PayPal money like this? Right here on the screen is my PayPal balance. Using this strategy, I was able to earn PayPal money just like this. And this is completely free to do. It's really easy to do and beginner friendly. We don't need any landing pages and we don't need any website. We're not going to be doing affiliate marketing. We don't need any social media accounts. We don't need to create any landing pages. We're not going to be selling anything. We don't even need to do affiliate marketing. We're not going to be creating any content. In fact, we don't even need a social media audience to make money with this strategy. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no-BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I used to make money online. I'm busy traveling at the moment, so I'm recording off my laptop, and my microphone decided not to work this morning on my laptop, so I'm just using the built-in microphone for this video. I'll be back in my office on about Sunday, so until then, you're just gonna have to bear with me. Sorry about the echo in the room, but the office is quite empty, so that's why there's a bit of an echo. But I'm still here going to create epic content for you guys on how you can make money online. I'm really excited about this strategy. It's really easy for beginners, and if you want to start making PayPal money online, this doesn't only have to pay PayPal. You can get paid direct to bank and cryptocurrency as well. But I know most of you guys like PayPal money strategies, so in this video, I'm going to be focusing just on that. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. If you guys want to learn how I sell high income and high ticket skills without actually doing that work myself with my own landing pages and just outsourcing that work to paid professionals and keeping all the markup in the man in the middle, the first link in the description is a free training on how you can get started, how you can access the Drop Servicing University program and create your own drop servicing agency. That's a free 7-minute video. From there, there's a full program if you want to go and get that. There's a coupon down below where you can go and claim that for 90% off. But without further ado, this is going to be a free 10 to 15 minute video on how you can average $400 to $500 a day straight to your PayPal account with this strategy. Alright, so we're now inside of my PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually go and get paid free PayPal money for leaving simple reviews on a specific website. Now, this website is fairly new. It is really working. I've tested it out recently. Now, I do want to say that not every single review will get accepted and approved for $150, but I'm going to show you how you can submit easily 5 to 10 reviews a day, and at least if 2 to 3 of them get accepted every second day, that's looking at about $300 to $400 a day just on reviews. Now, I'm going to show you how you can set this up, how to be unique in your own reviews, how to not go and copy and paste other reviews because that could get you banned or you could never get accepted. It's super important to be unique in your reviews. So I'm going to show you how to go and do that. Over here, you can earn up to $150 for reviewing simple products on Capterra.com. As you can see, let me just get rid of this ad. All you need to do is literally just talk about a specific product with your friends and family or just on this website. And if you tell people that you've done a product review, whether you like or hate the product, it doesn't have to be a positive review. Capterra, the specific website, will go and pay you a specific amount of money, specifically up to $150 per review that you write. But make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you each and every step that you need to take in order for your review to be approved and in order to write the perfect review to make your $150 for the review that you've written. So if you want to succeed at this and make your $150 per review to your PayPal account, make sure to keep watching. Or you can click off the video now and be lazy and not watch and make zero money. But I'm going to continue. Okay guys, so this website over here called Capterra.com or .co.za will pay you $150 per review that you leave on any software category over here. So if I come over to software categories, you can see all the different software categories from app design software to API management, anti-spam. I mean, you can just read through all of this. There are tons of categories literally in every business niche possible. Now, these businesses want to grow their brand, so they are paying people all around the world like you and me to leave positive reviews on their website. So when people search them, they see 5-star reviews and good reviews on Google or their website or whatever, and they will pay us to leave those good reviews. Some good examples of products that you can go and review is QuickBooks, the accounting software, Google Workspace, Google Analytics 360, HubSpot CRM, Hootsuite, Customer First, Viber. Now, I'm going to give you a quick hint. There's also Grammarly over here. I'm sure you've heard of that. I'm going to give you a quick tip. Software that I recommend you use is what most people use, such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Outlook, any kind of Microsoft software. Or if you want to go and review Mac software, a lot of people use MacBooks and Apple laptops like I'm using right now, or something like Dropbox, something like Grammarly, something that a lot of people use. Also Wix.com, Microsoft SharePoint. So let's, for example, go and use Microsoft Office Defender. Office let's go use Office 365 timesheet, for example, anything that's got to do with Office and Microsoft. So over here, you can see, you can go and sign up with your first name, your last name, your email address, your job title, your organization name, and your industry. So let's go and fill this out. We can just go put our name, surname, email. We can just put my email, your email address. So I'm just going to put my email at gmail.com. Job title, you can put self-employed. Organization name, you can just put your name. For industry, you can go and select Office 360 timesheet. I recommend go and choose an industry that's relative to this app. So for example, accounting. Company size, you want to go and select, I would say, nothing smaller than 11 to 50 employees, because you want to show Capterra that you are a big business. How long have you used the software? Select 1 to 2 years. Show Capterra that you've got experience with the software. How frequently do you use it? Select daily. You can go, I'm a user, administrator. I'm the team setup, and I help purchase this product. So we can go and click on next over here. And here's where you leave your reviews. So you want to go and choose overall quality. I wouldn't recommend go choose 5 stars for everything, because you don't want to show Capterra that you're just leaving 5 stars to hopefully get that $150. So maybe overall quality, we can select 4 stars, ease of use, 5 stars, features and functionality, 4 stars, customer support, 5 stars, value for money, 5 stars, ease of deployment, 5 stars. And you want to go and fill out all the optional stuff. You want to go and fill out everything and as much as possible, because if Capterra sees that you're putting effort into this, there's more likely of a chance that your review will get approved. So let's go and use billing and non-billable hours. We can use 4 stars. We can do automatic time capture, 5 stars, multiple billing rates, 4 stars, employee database, 5 stars, time sheet management, 5 stars, online tracking, 3 stars, mobile time tracking, 5 stars, and we can go 5 stars over here. How does the price for Office 365 timesheet compare to similar products? We can go mid-tier. How would you likely recommend it to a friend or colleague? Let's go 9. We can then click on next over here. And this is where we want to go and title our reviews and fill out our reviews, such as the title, pros, cons, describe. Did you switch from another product while purchasing Office 365? Did you consider any alternative products? Why did you choose Office 365, etc., etc.? So what we can go and do is we can go and search on Google Office 365 timesheet review. We just want to go get an idea of what other people have left. So let's come over to g2.com and open up this review here. And here you can see, for example, here's a perfect description here. What do you dislike? Recommendations. What are the problems? Describe the task. We can also come back here and go and search for another one. So let's go and use, for example, this Capterra review here. Let's see what these people have to say. Pros, cons, description. This is perfect. So we're not going to actually go and copy and paste this. I'm going to show you how we can go and get influence from these other reviews here, actually put this into our own unique words and go and use that for our own review here to save a lot of time and also increase the chances of getting our review approved for that $150. So you want to come over to Google and just go and search article spinner, for example. Just go and search that. There will be tons over here. We can use prepostseo.com, which is a free article spinner. So over here we can go and paste our original content. So let's go and start off with the title, Office 365 timesheet app review. Let's go and paste this in our title over here. Right click, paste. Let's go and click on rewrite article. And as you can see, there's no real paraphrase content for this, so we can just use this for the title. So we want to go and paste this for our title. For the pros, we want to come back to this article over here. Just go and copy all of these pros, right click copy, come over to your article rewriter, just delete that, right click paste, click on rewrite again. Over here you can see your newly paraphrased content has been rewritten. So remember, this is also an AI, it's an artificial intelligence, so just proofread it to make sure that it makes sense. So here you can see the original says, overall I'm happy with my experience, and it does what I need to do accurately without any issues. The rewritten says, overall I'm glad with my enjoy. See, that obviously doesn't make sense, so we type here and enjoy this tool, full stop. We can go, it does what it desires to do, or what I desire it to do, as it should be with no issues. And we can type here, and have had 0 issues with this tool. We can then see here the software program gives numerous functions that facilitates organization, tune the time spent on one-of-a-kind activities. It improves productiveness and smooth to prepare tasks. I like each step. We can put your comma. I like it is in line. I like that it is in line. That it is in line. With time, alternative, a few sheets are difficult. However, I really like it thoroughly. Truly, overall, I was satisfied of my enjoy. Overall, I was satisfied with this tool. So what we can do is we just want to maybe overall I am satisfied with this tool and won't change or move any time soon. So there you can see we've just fixed it up a bit. So we can then copy our new pros over here. We can come back to our review, just go and paste this here. So we can go, for example, just put spaces between each review. And just click enter on your keyboard, enter, enter, perfect. For the cons, we can come back to this review here, copy some of these cons, right click, copy, come back to our article rewriting tool, clear this, paste our new content, and we can go and click on rewrite again, right click, paste. The original says, I've currently not experienced any challenges with the app. The newly written says, I'm not experiencing any application issues at the moment. License is a little bit expensive for startups. Here is also no mobile version. The license is quite expensive for startups. There's no mobile version here either. I don't have something that I dislike about this app. I don't have anything I don't like about this app. It is quite expensive and employees were initially very negative about implementation. It was quite expensive and the staff was very negative to carry out at first. So we can go and copy our newly written cons over here, go and paste this in our cons section. So we just click on, enter, 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 and just remove these little quotation marks, just like that. And then for our description of our overall experience with Office 365, there will be an overall description here. So let's go and have a look, pros and cons. We can go and copy this overall description here, right click, copy, come back to this article spinner tool, just go and delete all of this, right click, paste, click on paraphrase. This is the original. We were shopping around for more cost-effective ways to track time for field workers. A lot of associates on the road save them time from driving to one location to another just to punch in. We look for more cost-effective ways to keep track of farm workers. There are a lot of friends on the way. There are a lot of employees we can put on the road. Obviously that doesn't make sense. There are a lot of friends on the way. It saves them time from driving one place to another just to get inside. And we can say just to enter data. So we can then go and copy this, right click, copy, come over to our right review and paste our overall experience. Did you switch from another product? We can select no. Why did you choose Office 365? Again, we can come over here. Reason for choosing, we can just choose this reason over here. Again, come over to article spinner and just highlight this, delete this, right click, paste, and click on paraphrase. We have had many product samples and demos. We selected the best one. So we can go and copy this. Come over to write our review again and go and paste this over here. We can select no, and by submitting this review, we can click on submit. Now we just want, okay, we're just gonna go and fill out this. So all the squares with the traffic lights, so that one, that one, that one, click on verify. And your review has now been submitted. So give it about a day or two, or maybe even a couple of days. Capterra.com will then send you an email if your review's been approved. Once you've been approved, they will then send you $150 to your PayPal account, which you just need to send to them. So make sure that you have that prepared. And what I recommend is go and set up reviews just like this over the next couple of days, weeks, months. Send a review once a day. I mean, it literally took me 10 minutes over here, which is a potential of $150 if you get 2 or 3 reviews in a day, over $500 in a day. Now that you guys have a decent idea on how to earn some money online leaving simple reviews, I'm going to show you an interesting way that you can go and use to invest this money to scale a real profitable business. So over here I've created a I've had this course for over a year that I've created, but I've updated the landing page and I've updated the course over here on how I made over $200,000 in sales. I will be honest, that wasn't all net, obviously were expenses. So net on this was about $140,000 in my first 3 months drop servicing and selling high ticket services such as web development, mobile app development services, very services that takes years and a lot of degrees to go and execute, and how you can actually execute those skills and sell these services without actually doing the work yourself. So what I go and do is I come over to Fiverr.com and I go and search that service. For example, let me just come over to Fiverr. Let's just click on Fiverr.com and I go and search, let's go mobile app, click on enter. Here you'll see on Fiverr.com, people are charging anywhere between $200 or $200 to design a mobile application. Now I will go and create a corporate business website or a corporate looking company in my local area and charge maybe $500 or $1,000 for the same service. So when people order off my page, which I run ads on, I advertise on marketplaces, I also have an email sequence, which I teach in the course on how you can build a audience. That way I get tons of sales and just outsource that work through Fiverr.com and keep like $400 in my pocket. When they create the app, I just send that app to my client through email or whatever way, Dropbox or Google Drive. They then pay me and then I pay the person on Fiverr and I keep $400 in my pocket. So over here, this entire program is going for $397. Now I've got a coupon down below just for you guys watching this video where you can go and claim this entire program for just $29. There's if I scroll down over here, over $10,000 worth of bonuses. So you get full lifetime access, my full winning Google Ads and drop servicing combo, email marketing and drop servicing 60-day sequence, saving thousands of money with drop servicing, hidden secrets. You can go and over to this website over here, which is the first link in the description. If you want to go and check this out, the coupon is next to the link. So make sure to go down below to the first link in the description and I'll see you over there.